So very good afternoon. It's been pleasure associated with you for a very long time. We have almost spent 7 odd plus years with Purnartha. We are here to speak with you and gather your experience about the 10x growth in your portfolio since your initial investment in May 2014. So it's a short conversation which we want to like to conduct and would like to ask few questions about it. But just as a start, we would like to know you first and then we'll take it further.
Yeah, so Saurabh, as you know me from last more than 8 years now. So myself Vinod Vishnoi, I am working in the renewable energy industry as a senior professional heading project in one of the Indian multinational who is well known into renewable energy sector, Suzlon Energy. And my association, I am thankful to Purnartha for all these 8 long years association, and this is one of the good things if I look back as a decision of investment. So that's one of the good decisions. So thank you.
Thanks a lot, sir. Sir, I would like to actually jot down your experience in one by one questions way. So my first question to you is like, what was your investment style before getting associated with Purnartha?
So Saurabh, there was no particular style. Let me be frank with you. So the style was through some own knowledge gathered over the years from industry, few friends who's already investing, or maybe as usual like other investor, these business channels. So it was not a particular style. So I would say every 3-4 years style kept changing. So that was the style.
Great, sir. And how it has been changed once you get associated with Purnartha?
It was a pleasure coincident, I will say, that after Purnartha, I was also tired by this, random styling. So this Purnartha has given the stability. So even it's not that by experience, but at the time of joining, and after few meetings with the initial meetings with your team and then with Rahul. So then I made up my mind that I want to stick to it now. Initially, and that much, it is way back in 2014, early, yes. April or May 2014. So then I decided to stick to this. So that was one of the best decision. That after left everything, that by advice or own decisions or channels, stick to only with the professional advice and the services given by Purnartha.
Great to know that. And if I may ask you, like, how did you come across Purnartha?
That was again a pleasant coincidence, I will say, that some of your, in 2014 there was not great references also. So just your sales guy, I don't know from where they got me, and then we had a meeting here in the same this thing in I think the first fortnight of April 2014, and then in next 1 week we were there. Yeah.
So sir, my next question to you is that with over the last 6-7 years, what really make you feel like where Purnartha stand out with the peers and competitors?
Saurabh, I think there may be, you must be knowing better than me, there are numerous people who are advising in this field. But one thing which I experienced over last 7-8 years is the thing which stand out is the transparency and the deep knowledge about the businesses where we are investing. So this gives the confidence which keep on increasing year by year as we move forward with this investment philosophy. So that is the biggest thing, I think, the transparency about those businesses, the entire philosophy, that's the biggest thing.
So then my next question is in line with that, sir. So what make you really happiest with while working with Purnartha?
I think the biggest any retail investor is looking is that whether over the years your capital is increasing is one thing, but apart from this your risk is decreasing. So in my opinion, the biggest thing is after few years let's say initial 2 to 3 years, you will see a peace of mind that yes, my money is in the hand of the best experts in the industry, and there is a complete, as I told earlier, transparency in the investment philosophy.
So apart from the 10x growth in your portfolio, what else have you been able to achieve with Purnartha Advisory Services?
If you ask me, the biggest thing which I achieved apart from the return is the deep knowledge about those businesses. Let's say if I give you example of it's a Bajaj Finance, so which is a biggest NBFC. So the people, professionals who are not from the finance field, the knowledge during this journey we got about the NBFCs or any other businesses which we are investing through these conferences call, meetings, and the result analysis, quarterly result. So that knowledge and about those businesses, their growth, their risk, that industry is phenomenal. I don't think you may get certain returns somewhere else also, but those knowledge personally, if you ask me, is unparalleled.
So sir, I would also ask you, like, will you recommend Purnartha to your peers, to your colleagues or family members?
Obviously, after so many years, I think once this is investment is such a subject for professionals, which they discuss in their circles, their professional circle, their personal, the friends and relatives, and then once you are happy and satisfied with this thing, obviously, and I believe 7-8 years, lot many people has been joined who are known to me or through this thing, and those people are also happy. I think this journey will continue as we progress.
Sure. Thanks a lot for it, sir. If I would ask you in one single word, would you like to describe about your last 8 years experience? So what would be that word?
I think the again biggest word is the trust. That such kind of investment philosophy where is cannot progress unless until the expert or the companies like Purnartha and the people who are joining, they are joining for long term. So it takes times to build the trust. But if you ask me, the biggest word came with Purnartha is the trust, and obviously there are a lot of other things like deep insight about those sectors where we invest, transparency and all those things.
Sure, sir. So then it leads to my other question, which says that how Purnartha has helped you and what was your experience in the deep downs of the market and then up?
Fortunately, in my case, by the time I developed trust and full confidence in the way Purnartha is going deep into there was ups and downs, in few mistakes, few misses also, but overall, even in the dime town also, let's say demonetization, this GST thing, and then even the pandemic, by the time I have developed that kind of trust into the entire philosophy, that at least the people like me who was from 7-8 years, they were not much worried about. We were knowing very well, and those regular investor calls, it also helps to take decisions and not to you panic and stick with the philosophy. So those were the great things, I will say, because ultimately such historic events, I will say, into investment journey, and if your confidence is shaken up, it's very difficult to get the desired results.
So my next question to you is, like, what made you stayed with Purnartha for such a long time after being investment from 2005, but then 2014, I guess we are one of the most closely attached advisors to you.
I think again, I will say that once you, for initial 2-3 years, once you believe in the philosophy, let's say the earning numbers, the free cash flow, debt free, the promoter intent, management capability of those businesses, once you are clear about those concepts which Purnartha believes, and you see really that yes, in those businesses and those companies, it is really being practiced. So once you are clear about that, then it's a good thing, and then obviously the return will comes when you stay longer. So that for any investor, it's the biggest thing, that not to do so many of experiments once you. So
So, with your great experience with us and also the overall market experience which you had in your investment journey, what would your advice to the youngsters or the newcomers in the investment era?
I think let's say the now this industry, I believe the investment advisory and those portfolio management services kind of thing, they are also getting matured now. So my only suggestion, take help of those, choose your advisors, choose your service provider, choose the expert very carefully. You may take time, 6 months, 1 year, but then stick to those, try to stick to those philosophy. It should meet your goals also, because it's not necessary that every investment advisory is meeting your your style. If it is so much contradictory, you will not be able to develop that kind of trust. So once you understand that investment philosophy, go deep into it, analyze it, then but once you are in, give really long time. Then you don't need further advice.
And my last question to you, sir, is that is there anything else which you want to personally share with us or with our customers who are with us for the meantime?
I would like to share that please be patient with ups and downs of the market. Don't get panicked. Even the situation like pandemic could not, make such a large impact in the long term in such kind of well thought of portfolios. I believe that then the longevity is the biggest thing. Once you are stick there, please stick for longer time. Obviously you will get return. So that's the, for new investors and for colleagues and for that, yes, this for professional like us, and this is the biggest opportunity for wealth creation.
Thanks a lot, sir, for your time and for your insights which you have shared with us.
Thank
It's
you.
been a great
Thank
journey,
you.
and we look forward to continue it for many more years.
Thank you. Thank you, Saurav, and thank you for Purnartha team.